Thank you for joining me today. Let me guide you through a simple 4-step process to sign up on Churchplus Church Management Solution. Step 1. To visit the official Churchplus website, open your device's web browser and navigate to churchplus.co. Step 2. Navigate to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Sign Up for Free button. Step 3. Input your email or the church ministry official email and a strong password of at least 6 characters, longer is better. Make sure the email is accessible. Step 4. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Then, provide basic information to set up your account. Firstly, input your name and last name. Enter the name of your church or ministry. Thirdly, provide your phone number in the country where your church or ministry is located. Lastly, put in the membership size and click on the Next button to complete your church profile setup. Once done, you can take quick actions like sending emails, adding a first-timer, or adding a new member. Check out our Churchplus Guide series to learn more about Churchplus. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching the video.